So here we have the Vauxhall Crossland X on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter on the left-hand side, speedometer on the right-hand side. In the middle at the top, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. And beneath that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 4,646. You can change information displayed above that using the indicator stalk. And you can see there, we have a digital readout for the speedometer available. Out onto the steering wheel, we have cruise control. We have our stereo and phone controls, and then the main stereo itself is over in the center, which is also where you'll pair up your phone. You'd hit search device and follow the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to the music options, we have AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly once you've paired your phone. You can also connect up your phone for certain Vauxhall friendly apps as well. Main volume for the stereo is just here. Below that, we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. Air conditioning's on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again, or you can hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. You can override that manually whenever you wish to. We have a 12-volt charging socket and USB input. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, in front of which we have our child locks, parking sensors you can turn on and off. You can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. We have our traction control that you can turn off over here. We can reset the tyre deflation warning system, and this car's got lane departure warning system, which you can turn on or off from here. And last of all, we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.